Okay, so I've done some quick, quote-unquote, edits to the heart to get a little better of a view. And going in through the vena cava, I have found my way in to the right atrium. And from the right atrium, I have my atrium here, and I have now opened this up, and from here I now have my atrioventricular valve with my with one of the leaflets of my tricuspid. This is one of the cusps with the chordae tendineae here, slightly more delicate than before because of the job I did cutting it open. I'd apologize for that, but so, and here is the papillary muscle right here, cut away. And now here I am in my ventricle. And back here, continuing back, I would, past this point, continue further backward. And it would be up and out this direction to pump blood out through this pulmonary trunk right here. And this pulmonary trunk comes from this right ventricle. So that's pretty much the interior of the heart. Now, we can't really see the conductive systems of the heart because they are very difficult to see. But effectively, the right atrium, somewhere in this right atrium, near about where our sinoatrial node, right near about where our not our sinoatrial node, where our superior vena cava inputs, somewhere in here, that's where our SA node is going to be located. That SA node is going to release a wave of depolarization, which will lead to our AV node. Our atrioventricular bundle, our atrioventricular ring is going to be along this line, preventing the movement, preventing the transfer of that wave of excitation through that atrioventricular ring into the ventricular region. Now, the AV node connects to the bundle of His, and through the bundle of His we can transfer that wave of excitation, that impulse, into the Purkinje fibers in the right and left bundle branches, down toward the apex of the heart, and then through the Purkinje fibers back up and into the right ventricular wall and left ventricular wall, through the right bundle and left bundle through the Purkinje fibers there. From the bottom to the top, squeezing the ventricles and squeezing the blood through the ventricles out through from the bottom to the top of the heart. And that is how the heart beats. So that is our heart, or rather that's this sheep's heart. And thank you very much.